How to buy Michi token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code simply as it goes below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 10 days ago and increased by 1000% in the last 24 hours. So as you can see, this token trending number one on post chain section. To be able to buy this token is easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here and open your wallet, for example the BTK wallet. Now search for post chain. As you can see, if you find it. So if you don't find it, what you need to do, just easy and simple, go and click on trade here, as you can see, and click here to expand this window. So after that, what you need to do, wait a few seconds to be able to access to Go Plus. Now after that, what you need to do, select the token that you want to buy with. I will just set the USDT from here. So select the USDT that you have found on your wallet. So after that, what you need to do, click on swap here, and here, as you can see, but before that, sorry, type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, click on swap, and as you can see, you have no USDT. So make sure that you have enough USDT on your wallet to be able to buy this token. So after that, click on swap, and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Michi. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.